Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another video. Today, I just want to talk really quickly about Bitcoin and the 21-week EMA. As you can see, we got rejected there, and so we are going to try to figure out what's next. As always, if you like this content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment in the comment section. So, hey, there's red all around. It's not the end of the world. I don't think, what I've said on this channel before, I think that the move to the 30s was mostly Russia related. I mean, we'll see. There's certainly we could go to the 30s. But what I'm wondering is one of two things moving forward. And before any of you chime in and say, so what you're saying is it could go up or down. Yes, but more so, when do we go up? That's the question that I want to ask. And so really simple, let's look at tradingview.com. Let's see where we are in comparison to the 21-week EMA. Because, I mean, this is a textbook example. This chart right here is a textbook example of why the 21-week EMA matters. We broke through the bull market support band to the downside on December 4th. That major liquidation event, awful day. We remember a day that will live in infamy along with December 7th. Of course, yes. All right, throwing that out there. Anyway, if you're in the United States or if you're not in the United States, you probably have no idea what I'm talking about. Maybe you do. But anyway, okay. So look at what's been going on since we've broken through the 21-week EMA, through the bull market support band to the bottom. It's quite simple. December 7th got rejected right at the 21-week EMA. December 24th, rejection right at the 21-week EMA. December 27th, rejection right at the 21-week EMA. And then this week on Tuesday and Wednesday, we had another rejection, a rejection at the 21-week EMA. That was a period of over 2 months where we were below the bull market support band. That was the first test since December 27th of the 21-week EMA. And so here's the scenarios, in my opinion. If we go back down into the 30s, the next time we go up to the 21-week EMA, we are going to get rejected again. Unfortunately, that's how it works. That's what traders are looking at as their exit point. I mean, just picture yourself as a trader real quick. Let's say that Bitcoin goes down to $35,000 and you decide I'm going to buy Bitcoin at $35,000 or I'm going to open a long. What you are thinking of in your mind is, when do I take that exit? When do I exit? In perfect place, the 21-week EMA. So whatever that gets down to, that's where the next exit's going to be for a lot of traders. They're going to take their profits then. They're not going to expect the price to go up. So if we see a big move down from here, if we go back down to the 30s, the next time we move up, wherever the 21-week EMA is, we're going to get rejected there, no doubt. Zero doubt in my mind. All right, lest I ever say zero doubt or 100% about anything, I don't, but as close to zero as possible, just like this week, because I've been saying this for months, that next time we went up to the 21-week EMA, we were going to get rejected hard. There was a little bit of hope in my mind when we got there that we wouldn't get rejected hard, but we did. We got rejected hard. So that's scenario number one, get rejected. We'll see. What we need, in my opinion, to break through the 21-week EMA is for the move down to not be long in dollar amounts or length of time. So, and unfortunately, this has to happen by tomorrow, because CME futures close tomorrow. We're not going to see, unless there's some crazy event that happens over the weekend, we're not going to see anything crazy happen over the weekend price-wise. We're just going to range. It's going to be like a magnet. Whenever that CME futures close is, whatever the dollar amount is, that's where we're going to be. So basically, we have about 27 hours to break through this, or we're going to get rejected there again. So let's just entertain me for a second. Let's just say we go up and test the 21-week EMA. What I'm looking for is a 4-hour close above it, and then going above it, holding it as support, and then moving higher. That would be ideal. My guess is that now that it's Thursday and we still haven't broken through that, it's not going to happen. But all right, let's just say that happens. Then maybe we can move higher. Maybe. Let's say we move right back up to the 21-week EMA. I'd give it maybe, I'd say still less than 50-50 given where the price is now, that we are going to break through. So unfortunately, in my opinion, rest of the week, we're pretty much, the chances are pretty low that we're going to break through. And early next week, best case scenario, still we're going to get rejected. We're going to get rejected there. And the 21-week EMA is going to be lower at that time. And so what am I seeing? I'm seeing weeks, not days. I'm not seeing, a handful of days. I'm not seeing like 10 weeks or anything like that. But more so, we need to think of this in terms of weeks instead of days as far as breaking through, hopefully getting above the bull market support band. I wouldn't be shocked if we just spent the rest of the quarter, March 31st, under the bull market support band. Eventually, we will break through. And I on chain, what I'm seeing is a lot of interest in buying Bitcoin in the $30,000 range. So what happens if the 21-week EMA gets to, I don't know, something like $37,000? I think we'll break through. And then hopefully we can move higher after that. But again, lots of resistance. The 200-day SMA, the 20-week SMA, and then all these fib levels, they are going to act as resistance. If I'm looking for an entry right now, maybe we're going to test this 236 fib level. So 236 at around $41,500. That seems to me like an okay place to enter in. If that level breaks, then we'll go back to the 30s most likely. So that is all I have for today. Just wanted to make a short video to check in. I'm really busy with my business, trying to restructure my business. If you haven't heard, inflation is killing me, and so trying to move from lots of little transactions where inflation has eaten away entirely at that to fewer bigger transactions. And that is my schedule for the next weeks, in the next several weeks, is trying to rebuild, refocus, and move forward. And I'm excited about it, but that means I'm going to be spending less time on here. But I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I hope you leave a comment in the comment section if there's anything you want to talk about. And hop on over to my Discord. I am active on the Discord. I haven't been active in the last 24 hours, but I am active in the Discord. I'd be happy to respond to anything there. You can see a link in the description of this video. Otherwise, have a great rest of your week. Peace.